Hi, to change lock screen wallpaper on the iPhone 13, we would need to open settings first. Here we need to find the wallpaper tab, and after that you would need to select your current wallpaper. For example, if you are satisfied with the home page, you would need to select your lock screen here, and you can choose another style for your lock screen. Or as for another way, you can just tap this button to add new wallpaper. Then choose any option from the list. For example, let's select this iOS 18 wallpaper. Here we can change the style. Let's leave the purple. Now we can also customize font and color. We can add widgets. Here we can also replace this widget. And now we need to tap the add button, and now we can set it as wallpaper pair, or we can customize home screen additionally. But let's set it as wallpaper pair. And now here is the changes. Also, as for another option, you can press and hold your current lock screen, select the button customize or tap on the plus and do just the same thing. So choose any wallpaper from the list. After that, select this add button, and here just choose one of two options, and this is your new lock screen. So yeah, that's it how it works. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.